Okay guys, so let's unbox this. This is Gesso and I got it from Amazon and it cost me around 575 rupees. Okay, so next we have the palette and it cost me around 199 rupees. Okay, so next we have the watercolor paper. It cost me around 399 rupees and it is 25% cotton and 300 GSM. It is A4 and it has 15 sheets, which is good. And next is a white acrylic paint. It cost me 300 rupees and it is 500 ml. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is clay and मैंने ये भी Amazon से ऑर्डर की थी एंड ये 225 रुपीज़ की थी. इसके अंदर 20 पैकेट्स थे क्ले के, जो कि बहुत अच्छा प्राइस है. आपको 225 में क्ले के 20 पैकेट्स मिलते हैं. The next is the canvas. It cost me 625 rupees and इसके अंदर टोटल 8 canvases है, 8 pieces है. साइज है वो भी है 5x7, 8x10, 9x12 and 10x14. इन सब के जितने भी साइजेस है इन सब के आपको 2-2 पीस मिलते हैं, which is a great price for it. Okay guys, so the last one is pencil colors, colored pencils. You can say anything you want. So it is for rupees 852 and इसके अंदर total 24 pencils है colored अलग अलग, which is great price.